The Honda Accord and the Accord Hybrid, manufactured between 2022 and 2024, were part of the big HPFP recall covering high-pressure fuel pump leaks. The Honda recall number is PJW, the NHTSA number is 24V-763. Honda stated that its supplier made a mistake when manufacturing approximately 2.6 million high-pressure fuel pumps. The pumps were supplied already damaged and started leaking at very low mileage. The leak could have potentially led to crashes or fires, so Honda issued a safety recall with free replacement of the HPFP. If you paid for the repair out of your pocket prior to the recall, you may claim reimbursement. This is not just a TSB but a proper recall, so you can use the VIN of your car and check if you are eligible on the Honda's official website or on the NHTSA website. The most common symptom of the problem is the fuel smell when driving and after stopping your car, but it doesn't make much sense to wait till the fuel pump fails. You may just schedule an appointment with the dealership and have them inspect the pump and replace it in case it has the defect, to avoid such issues in the future.